Today I am going to show new technique with the Camlin white glue and brush pens. From the year 1996 I am using Camlin product. It was really very nice, and I am going to show you one picture. This one I had done with that. This one. It is called texture art. That how to do that I am going to show you. Just watch it nicely. First do any drawing which one you like. Any drawing you can do in this with the marker. First do pencil drawing and then marker. Now let's start coloring. We are using Camlin brush pens. With that you have to do color of your choice. Very nice shades are there in this Camlin brush pens. You can see it. You can do shading with it. You have to take two different colors, light and dark, and you can do like this shading. It's very easy to do any artwork. These are artist brush pen. It is a pigment based ink, waterproof and UV resistance. In this also you can get many shades. I have 12 shades. This also we can use in this artwork. Now you have to use, after drying the nice coloring, you have to use white glue. Wherever you want to put, you can put it like this. Which textures you want to give, you can give it with white glue. you have to take care to do white glue whenever it is not should to go outside. You can use different tools to give texture. After using tool and Fevicol white glue, you have to let it dry for sometimes till 15 minutes. It's enough for drying it, and then you can see the different textures in whole picture of white glue. You can it is visible now also, but when it will dry it will visible very nicely. It's give a one coating on this picture. You can do like this. See, with the use of Camlin products, white glue and brush pens, I did this painting. You can see the texture. With the use of white glue and brush pens, I did this painting. You can see the texture. After drying it will look very nice. It gives a texture to each and every part. You can use different tools to do textures. Without texture also, with the different lines or patterns you can do the texture. Thank you for watching it, and thank you Camlin to give different products to us who are lovers of art. Thank you so much.